Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Windows with your Microsoft account signed in. Make sure you have admin privileges. Open Settings, go to Accounts, then your info. This is where the profile photo lives locally. At the same time, open a browser and sign into account. Microsoft.com/your info so you can remove the cloud-synced image too. Once both locations are open, you're ready to remove the picture from both the local Windows profile and the online Microsoft account to prevent it from reappearing after sync. You'll remove the picture locally first. In Settings, right arrow your info, click Remove under your photo. That clears the Windows tile. Next, switch to the Microsoft account page. Select Change Picture and either delete the image or upload a plain blank image to force a reset. Once done, open File Explorer and delete files inside %appdata%Microsoft\account pictures to clear cached thumbnails. Make sure to sign out and sign back in after clearing the cache, so Windows rebuilds the profile without. Complete the job by signing out, restarting the PC, and signing back in. This forces Windows to refresh the user tile. If the picture returns, delete files in C/users/public/account pictures and reclear %appdata%Microsoft/account pictures, then repeat sign out. If sync keeps restoring the image, disable account sync briefly in Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow sync your settings. Remove the photo online again, then re-enable sync. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, create a temporary local admin account or boot safe mode to remove lingering cached images safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.